Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the incredible camera specs of the Infinix Zero 40. If you're a photography enthusiast, you'll want to stick around for this one. Let's start with the rear camera setup. The main camera boasts a whopping 108 megapixels with an f1.75 aperture, ensuring stunning detail and vibrant colors in every shot. Plus, it features optical image stabilization, so your photos and videos remain sharp even on the go. Next up is the ultra-wide camera, which packs a punch with 50 megapixels and a 120-degree field of view. Perfect for capturing breathtaking landscapes or fitting all your friends into one selfie. And let's not forget about the depth sensor. With its 2-megapixel resolution, it adds that beautiful bokeh effect to your portraits, making your subject pop against a softly blurred background. For video lovers, the Infinix Zero 40 doesn't disappoint. It supports up to 4K video recording at 60 frames per second, allowing you to capture every moment in stunning detail. Host. Now, let's talk selfies. The front camera features an impressive 50 megapixels with an f2.45 aperture, ensuring your self-portraits look absolutely flawless. And yes, it also supports 4K video recording. With AI enhancements like Pro Stable Video and raw HDR capabilities, the Infinix Zero 40 is truly a powerhouse for photography enthusiasts. If you're excited about these features, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.